Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover actor grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It's good to be back. It's Thursday, April 8th. I was gone through Monday through Wednesday for my birthday, so I'm happy to be back. And today's topic, I got a question from a person in A VO's Journey, and the question is, how do I get potential clients to recognize me? I think this is a wonderful question, and it's one we should all be asking. And the big thing here is getting potential clients to recognize you takes work. I mean, we have to sell. And I know a lot of people don't like to sell, and that word has, the negative feelings, I don't want to be that icky salesman type of person, who bothers people. But I think the reality is that we are in a sales job, right? We have to sell to clients. We have to sell our services. We've got to sell our brand. We've got to sell our type of voiceover style. We've got to sell our professionalism, our quality, our speed in doing voiceovers. We've got to sell all of this stuff, okay? And the best way to sell, all right, is starting to put out content. Okay, we got a couple things here. The first thing is starting to put out content about, you doing samples and you putting out content about, the voiceover industry, or, they can be educational, they can be entertaining, it can be inspiring. Why that's important is because that's not direct sales, but that's branding. And we want people to recognize you so that when you get in front of them, when you get the opportunity to get in front of them, they can look at your stuff and be like, oh, wow, this person is relevant. They're doing work. I like that sample. I like this sample. It's like a live, ongoing portfolio, demo, samples, the pillars of what your business stands for, what your core values are. All of this goes on there. And let's be honest, we want to know those things these days. We want to know what people stand for. We want to know who we're going into business these days. So it's important that you get that out there. That's one. The second thing that you've got to do is you've got to accept that this is going to be something that you are going to continue to do from the moment that you start this business until the moment you decide to no longer do it. Meaning that that's contacting people, either through email, either through phone calls, either through, going to businesses if you're local, going to studios, contacting them via social media, sending messages. You've got to contact people. Somehow, some way, you've got to contact them. Now, that's the direct contacting. The other way that I like to do it, right, is through websites, through Google, through YouTube, the biggest search engines in the world, right? Getting them to come and find you by putting your stuff on these websites that are already doing the work, or building out your website. Okay, that's another way to get potential clients to recognize you. All right. Now, another way is signing with an agent. That's another way to get a potential client to recognize you. Okay, getting with someone who has connections and is showing your work to other people. Is that necessary? No, not in today's world. It's not necessarily. But agents still are the gatekeepers for some things. All right. So that's another way for you to sell. These are all ways for you to get in front of potential clients. Okay. Listen, it is imperative, and then I'm going to end it here so we keep it quick and simple today, that you remember those things, all right, that you're putting out content. You are contacting businesses, right? You're looking to be on websites, build your own website and your own portfolio, possibly working with agents or studios. Okay, you're auditioning on pay-to-play sites, getting yourself, out there everywhere so that when someone types in your name, you pop up all over. There's not 10 people, there's not 10 Anthony Picas that pop up. I pop up. The whole first page of Google, if you type in my name, Anthony Pica, P-I-C-A, you'll see I pop up. My social media, website, everything pops up. There shouldn't be any other Anthony Picas on that first page. Okay. And getting people then to recognize Anthony Pica is my job of contacting them. Does that make sense? So there's multiple parts there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Hey, leave a comment below. Tell me what you're doing to get customers, all right, and how that's working for you and, any of your thoughts about this topic. All right, you guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Take it easy. Peace.